All right, everyone. So let's get started. So let me just share you my screen over the today's agenda and the topics. So we are going to talk about today is the frontiers, take our new challenges with fresh perspective. So this is the topic and the agenda for today's session. So welcome you all to our favorite sessions, Slack Frontiers, and welcome to the community. You all are the members of Slack. So let's get started with the Frontiers Slack perspective. Today, today's agenda. So today's agenda is me, Vipul Agarwal, as a host and your friend, will share the details about introduction to Slack, and my colleague.
I'm Tushar. I work at Slack.
Okay, so he will be talking about Slack Frontiers 2020, what the conference is all about. So after that, we're having a special quiz, which whosoever attended that quiz and and attend that, and whosoever win will win a special prize that will be directly come to your home. So this is the some kind of invented are there. So at the end we have some Q&A and the end of the event. So let's get started, guys. Let's get started and let's have the first thing, introduction to Slack. So what the Slack is, how it is formed, like what is the platform. You're having some question like that. So this is how Slack is. So let me introduce myself. My name is Vipul Agarwal. I am the co-chapter lead of Slack Delhi NCR, and I'm also working as a Lakshya Digital in quality team. Thank you. Now here's a short video which will represent you what it is. So here it goes. So this is Slack. Slack is where work happens. So Slack is a channel-based messaging platform for your organization. It is a channel-based messaging, it's a platform, and it is enterprise grade. Next, work is better in channels. Like with the help, it will go more faster, more focused, more aligned, and more human. Now getting started with Slack. Like how this is how the Slack interface look like. It's having channels, messages, and chat a lot. Then comes channels. You can see there are different channels like project social media, project new website. So these is called channels. Next, if you see a bold text with that channel, it means some messages are there that you have missed. So this is the way it shows. Then if someone tags you inside a specific message into the Slack, then it will show a red icon with the number of tags which you have done that by some other colleague or your teammate. Once you are into the channel, you will see the list of the members. It is shows here you can see the list numbers are there, few member list. In this member list, you will see how many members are there in the particular associative channel. This this is the attachment that which you can do. While you're typing, you can also attach some kind of information that is the particular needed for the particular channel. Then if you have any kind of feeling for that particular information, then you can just use these emojis, or you can say that what is known as emojis, which information. Like if you're having feelings, you can just by not typing it, just by doing these emojis add on, you can do that. Then if you're having the same kind of emoji feeling, just you can click on the add on that, and that will be added with the same feeling. Next, if you if you typing the message was wrongly in the particular group or the particular project, so you can just click on add it and delete that message as well. So it will not affect you once it comes to the email. Like if you send an email to a colleague, you can't be deleted by the colleague's email or any other email if you have tagged into the CC or the mail. But in here, if you added that message, if you do that in a wrongly manner or by mistaken, so you can just click that by deleting on the delete message, and it will delete from all over the colleagues as well. Now, how you compose a message? Composing a message is simply there is an icon there where you can click on that with a pen and a paper. So click on that icon and you can compose a message. Then there's a message box downside you can see. Now, if you see, there's a various options are there while typing a message. Like you can make it a bold, italic, code. If you write some kind of programming language that you can add, you can make it a bullet points, number points, and you can align that as well. When you come to the right hand side of that message, you can see there mentions are there. So at the rate are there, you can mentions, and then attachments are there where you can attach any kinds of files, folders, and you can share them using this message tab. Now searching in Slack. So you can, there is a simple option you can use, that is Control K. If you're using Slack, just type Control K and you can search on the Slack. Apart from that, like you can directly go into the direct messages and click on plus and you can search on that. Now Slack platform. Slack platform increases the ROI of your software. Like as per the CEO, Steve Butterfield said that we did like to do the 2% of the software budget that is the multiple of the other 98% of your budget. So that this Slack CEO once said. Now, Slack having 2,000 more than integrations all around the world. So whatever tools you use for the particular sales, dev, communications, analytics, support, productivity, marketing, whatever the tool you would like, you can use with the help of Slack. You need to not to go there for further integration or you do that tool in another place. All this stuff, whatever you would like, you can do directly using the Slack. Next comes Slack API. API is a thing where you can like build your own API or use any API into the Slack by integrating into them. And with the help of that, you can create, you can make your own application or a bot or any kind of thing, any kind of stuff like a bot, which helps you to engage your more active and make your better information or the knowledge into Slack. But you come when it comes to emails and everything, you can't do that. But with this, you can build your own app bot inside the Slack, or you can take the integration from the others as well. Thank you. That's all from my side. Thank you very much. Now I will just transfer to my colleague Tushar, and he will represent you to what happens in the Slack frontier. Thanks. Tushar, now floor to you.
Thank you, Vipul, for introducing us to Slack and how to use it.
Yeah.
Let me share my screen. Hi everyone, I'm Tushar. I work at Slack as front-end engineer, and I'll be talking about our event Frontiers. So Frontiers is about the biggest annual conference we held every year, and I'll be taking you through the highlights of our year 2020. It's the conference where we talk about future of work and digital transformation, and it is highlights to our year and exciting things we have got you for in store. Let us go through our highlights. Let me share you about the new platform capabilities we have got for you. In our modern work life, we use many tools and they constitute to lots of events flowing. Events, those are created by us like a text message, or events created by tools like calendar alerts, incidents, reminders. All these events flowing around gives us the opportunity to create light, low cost fabric for systems integration. You must already be knowing that Slack has Workflow Builder. It is our visual tool that lets anyone automate routine tasks in Slack and no coding required. For example, in minutes and few clicks, you can build workflow to onboard new members in your team. Or you can build workflow to gather t-shirt size information from your team. Now, you can extend the power of Workflow Builder with steps from app. As Vipul said, we can integrate almost 2000 plus applications in Slack. Now, integrate these apps as steps in Workflow Builder. For example, PagerDuty is a tool many use for alerts. Now, PagerDuty offers a step in Workflow Builder so that team can automatically create a new incident without leaving Slack. And how does it work? If you launch the Workflow Builder from shortcuts in the Composer from Message Composer, you can search for steps. There are steps from Slack, built by Slack, and there are steps from your organization. There will be steps from apps as well. As you can see, there are steps from PagerDuty, Poly, Zapier. And add these steps to the Workflow Builder wizard. And that's it. You're done. Your workflow is ready to use. You can also monitor the workflow performance with the new activity tab you see to see how many times the workflow has been used, including the status, timestamp, and user information. It's right there in Workflow Builder. Head to Slack app directory. You will find many pre-built workflow examples. Next, let's talk about Slack Connect. With Slack Connect, you can extend the channel-based messaging with everyone you work with, inside your organization and even outside your organization, and collaborate securely with everyone. Before Slack Connect, your organization was working in your Slack instance, other organization were working with their Slack instance. Now you can collaborate in your Slack. With Slack Connect, you can share these channels with up to 20 organizations. Right now, Slack Connect is used by more than 52,000 organizations and more than 10,000 channels are shared and created. You must have heard the news about company emails leaked to public. That is why enterprise key management is very essential to our organization. It allows you to encrypt your messages you send with your own keys. And now the enterprise key management is available with Slack Connect also. We are also introducing Slack verified organizations. This will give peace of mind that they are connecting with authentic partners or organizations. Slack will verify organizations for you. With managed connections, admins can streamline this process by pre-approving requests for trusted partners, so that if I want to connect with my friend in some another organization and admin have pre-approved that request, I'll just share my link and we can connect. We are also excited to announce that Slack Connect direct messages. Slack Connect direct messages enable secure direct messaging across organizations. You can share your private link with your trusted partners. Now, not just teams, but individuals can also connect across organizations. And of course, admins will have control over this with managed connections. You may have heard that Slack acquired Rimeto in July. Rimeto is a modern company directory. In this time, many people are joining organizations remotely. New teams are formed without meeting each other physically. In such case, rich company directory becomes super essential. Rimeto gives you a rich searchable data. With Rimeto, we can see every employee skills, experiences, who has joined recently, who has anniversary or birthday, who is on leave or returning from leave. All this rich data is searchable with Rimeto. Expedia uses both Remoto and Slack to give their employees a platform to better collaborate and access share information. Since the global shift to remote work, it's clear that there is much more that we can do to improve the way we work together in this new world. Now let us talk about some exciting features that we have got in store for you. They are designed to bring remote teams closer together. First one is stories. Stories are asynchronous video to help people collaborate in their own time instead of gathering in same time. It gives immense flexibility and improve team connection. Let me show you a video so that you can understand.
Hey, everybody. Just wanted to give you an update on where we are with all the keynotes. I've shipped the 7th or 8th or whatever it is revision of the script to Stuart. I don't know if he's looked at it since he hasn't really looked at the others, but incorporated, what he's described as his latest thinking. I'm really not sure if we're going to end up with an actual script when we get in front of the cameras or if he's just going to say what he wants to say per usual, but I'm sure it will be great.
Hi, sorry I couldn't make the meeting earlier. Saw the latest script, everything's looking good. Just want to let everyone know I am going to share it with Tamar during the meeting I'm going to next, and I'll post any feedback from that in the channel. Other than that, keep it up and really excited to see the final product.
With stories, now you can share your status without being there available on same time. For example, you can also share the demos you built, or you can welcome your team members with small videos. Next up is huddles. We all miss this ad hoc, unplanned, spontaneous connections which we had in offices, like gathering quickly to discuss solutions to problem. It was fun. With huddles, you get this lightweight, always available audio connection right inside your channel. So if you go to your favorite channel with project or your team channel, you can always start an audio connection there. Let me show you. You see, this headphone icon will be there available to you in your channel so that you can join your channel communication with audio as well. All this stuff are coming in 2021. Thank you for listening. I will hand over to Vipul for some quiz, or we can take some questions if you have.
Guys, if you welcome there. Yes, thank you, Pratik. Thank you so much for your great comment. So, if you have, we are taking just 2 minutes. If you have any kind of questions or do you have anything, just let us know. For me and for Tushar, we are happy to help you out. After that, after 2 minutes, if you have anything, then we will just share you a quiz competition where we have whatever we have shared with you on that knowledge base. So that quiz is something that you can, if you win, you have a special prize at your home, at your place. So be there for a special prize, and if you've done that and you are the winners, then you are on the another level or the other milestone. So like, as then let's Tushar, we can wait for 2 minutes. If they're having questions, let's see. All right, we are here for you guys. Like whatever you have anything on mind, let us know. Thank you. I think Tushar can give this a better answer. Tushar, Pratik is asking, I have a one question. Is there any chat feature is there in the video? Is there a video chat feature is there in Slack?
So you can do a video call. Also, I mean, chat is already there in your channels, but you can start a call for your channel, and there it will show invite to everyone who is there in channel, so that they can join in a video audio conference. Yep.
Our next question is, I saw there is a story feature. So like, is there any kind of story? I saw in this slide was there, in that they are having story feature. So can you explain more about that?
So yeah,
Feature?
so you have got like standard, everyone is working remotely alone, to make this more human and sharing updates quickly rather than typing. We have added these stories. I mean, you can use stories like however you want. You can share your updates without being there available on a fixed time. Let's say we used to have this morning stand-ups everywhere, and everyone had to gather on the same time. Someone won't make it to on time. So but right, with stories you can just send your updates right away when you have them, and team will catch up. Also, right now we use stories to share our demos. Like, we build something cool, we'll just create a video out of it and add that story to the channel. Also, when many people are joining remotely, so teams are creating stories to welcome them, and yeah, they feel warm welcomed. This is in beta. Slack is internally testing it, but 2021 it's going to be available.
Thank you, Tushar, for that. And the last question which I'm taking is from Sagar Ukti. Welcome, Sagar. Welcome to the community. And so they are asking that the hurdles are looking interesting. So would you like to talk about more in hurdles?
Yeah. So hurdles is like always on audio connection. Remember the times we were in office and you can just tap on your colleague and ask him to talk about something. It's not there right now. We ping them, check their availability, make them come to a call, and then we talk. It's like hassle, but you're gonna do it quickly. But with hurdles, with just one click, audio connection is always on for that particular channel. You can join whatever conversation you want. Let's say a team is having hurdles on, you can join that hurdle and hear what team is saying, what updates are going on. Let's say there is an incident going on and your web team has a channel, someone will start hurdle and people will come collaborate there, say, hey, I need someone push this commit, I think that is suspicious, let us look at that. You see, there is a spontaneity uh, being brought. This is also will be available next year, 2021.
Oh, that's pretty awesome. All right. So, apart from that, these are the great things. Anything like that, the frontiers which we have done, the Slack which we have taken, like, what do you think? Like, what is the CEO thinking about the next coming Slack frontier?
So we are especially excited about Slack Connect. I mean, before, your organization used to collaborate with your Slack organization, and that's it. But everything, this secure collaboration, enterprise key management, is being brought into a big network. We call it Slack Connect. I can create a channel, share that channel with your organization. Then people from our organization now connect, collaborate securely in the same channel without leaving Slack. And yeah, with possibilities like you can add up to 20 organizations in Slack Connect. I mean, in times of COVID, we have seen many organizations, non-profit organizations, coming together in Slack to tackle problems.
Yeah, that's true, Surar. Like Slack, we can make a great channels. Like the main thing is that we whatever we do as an email stuff, once we send the email, we can't that be back that email. But in this Slack, you can, if you type any wrong message, you can take that message. You can do whatever the stuff, and it will take a lot of time, and you can do a lot of things. So, all right, guys. So this is what this is all about. So, whatever the questions are there, please post it on. We will take at the end of this session. Now we have again. Let's go back and have some quiz time. Okay. So let me just share my screen and just share the quiz time. Whosoever wins that quiz will win a special prize. So are you ready, guys, for the quiz? Excited? So all right. So this is the quiz is there, and Tushar will help you with the link. You can just join the link with him, and you are ready for that. And please, once you click on the link, it will be having a chat as well as your. It will also, like, you can directly go into the browser and post that link, and also you can download the application which will be available on App Store and Google Play Store. So if you would like, you can just do whatever you can and just join us in the bar of quiz time. So we are waiting for you guys. Let's get started. So Tushar, all are in, or is someone is still coming? Please let us know.
Let us wait for a couple of minutes. I see 4 people have joined, and 5 are attending.
Okay.
So let us begin.
All right. So guys, before starting the game, I will let you know that if you play the game in a proper manner, or if you win, you will win a special prize from our side directly at your home. So this is a special prize which will be sent it for you as a participant with a gift. I don't know whatever it will be, but it's a gift from the Slack which will be gifted by you guys. So okay. So guys, let's get started with the quiz. So Tushar, let's begin. So let's begin, guys. This is the Slack Frontier quiz, guys, and here comes my first question. So, guys, what is Slack? So please see there's are options are there. You need to choose the color for each option. So those who choose fast and first will win the race. So you can see the questions and the option there, and just you need to click on the which color or the shapes having, and on that shape will be there. All right, so we got 2 answers. All right, let's go to the next question. Oh, Naruto, you win the game. Awesome, man. So next, go for the next quiz. Who is the CEO of Slack?
Oh, that was fast.
Again, Naruto wins. Upcoming the next question. What is the Slack's new headquarters? Sorry, where's the Slack's new headquarters? Please choose the color and the shape of the win to win the and choosing the option. Awesome. Again. Oh, this time Shahuk. Awesome, Shahuk. Again, the next question. What is the name of the annual conference of Slack? Please choose the right color with the right shape to choosing this option. You have 15 seconds to choose that. Those who choose first and very fast will win the race. Awesome. So let's see. Okay, this time Aditi wins. Yeah. All right. Coming up the next question. New feature that Slack is launching in 2021. Stories, hurdles, Slack Connect DM, and all of the above. Choose the right color with the right shape to win the prize. All right. So here are the results. And again, Aditi wins the race. Coming on to the next question. True or false? Does Slack support video calling? Is true or false? You have 20 seconds to answer the question. Choose the right color with the right shape and you will win the race. Oh, all are the correct. That's pretty great, guys. You have done all have done the great job. And the whosoever win is the Aditi again. Aditi, congratulations. Coming up for the next question is a quiz question. Up to how many organizations can you connect with Slack Connect? 5, 10, 20, and 50. Choose the right option with the right color. Awesome. And see who again wins the race and Aditi this time. I think that Aditi taken the whole floor. What do you think, Tushar?
Yeah, she has the fastest finger first.
Amazing, Aditi, amazing. Coming on to the next quiz. Which feature lets you automate tasks in Slack? Selenium, IFTTT, Workflow Builder,
Oh. Awesome.
Let's see who has the win the fastest first. And again, Aditi. So this is our second last quiz. Which company did Slack acquire in 2020? Ramito, Astro Technologies, Screen Hero, or HipChat? Awesome, guys, awesome. And see who has again win the answer first. Naruto.
Wow.
Let's go for the last question. Which company is acquiring Slack? Google, Salesforce, Zoom, Amazon. Whosoever click the right, oh my God, already we have given the right answers. One up will be the wrong. And see who is the winner of the game. So Naruto comes third. Congratulations, Naruto. Second comes Shagugan. Congratulations. And first, who is the first? Aditi. Congratulations. So guys, you win the game. Congratulations, guys. Aditi, Shagun, and Rater, you have done an amazing job. You are the real heroes of our Slack communities. You have there attend the session. You're a great enterprise. That's awesome, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you, guys. Thank you for playing the quiz. So now, guys, so whosoever wins, they'll be share a special form by directly to them, and they need to share their details. So now we are back to the podium.
I mean, we'll wait for 10 minutes to see if you have any questions so that we can answer them.
Yeah. So the guys who have win that, or first as in second, will win the special prizes at their home. I will be a special DM for them, and they will get a special takeaway. So guys, any questions? Anything about want to know Slack? Anything we want to know about the frontiers? Apart from that, you want to know about anything about you want to know about Tushar or me as a person, so you are the right time and the right date is right now. So you can directly ask on us whatever the questions you have, whatever things are coming on your mind, and we are happy to answer you. And also, guys, while you are attending this session, there is a small survey form which you need to fill about. You need to tell about what you feel about this event, about the Frontier event, what you will expect it for the upcoming event. So these are the questions are there. You need to fill that. And if the survey form, we will take a lucky draw. And on that survey form, if someone wins, we will connect with them and share a special prize to them as well. So thank you, guys. So let me just share you with a, okay. So there is a code. Okay. Um, Openings of Slack. So Sagar again asking the question, what is openings at Slack? So can you help me out with that, Tushar?
Yeah, so Slack has pretty openings. You can go to their careers website, and since we went remote, I myself am working remotely since March 2020, and we have couple of remote positions open as well. I mean, you can work anywhere from India. So do check out our careers website. There are like associate level position, senior level positions. Yeah, many things we are hiring.
Here. Yes, if you would like,
Slack
you can.
also, I'd like to mention Slack also has office in Pune, Maharashtra.
Yeah. So like, if you would like, you can directly go to the Pune and meet Tushar. Like you can ask for the career and all that stuff.
Yeah, I'm remote. You won't be able to find me there, but yeah, definitely. If you visit, you will find many folks working from Pune.
So that's it. Like Slack, you can directly go to the Slack, or if you have any questions related to them about the career part of that, so you can also connect with us. Okay. So I'm just taking that form and with the email ID. And if anyone would like to just DM us, me and Tushar. So and you can share your email IDs. We will be get in touch with you with your questions and answers. Okay. So that's it. I was just sharing your form link, guys. Please fill that form. This is a lucky draw form. If you win, you will get a special prize by our side. So please fill this form. Take your proper time. And if you still have questions, like you want to know anything, we are all here for you only. We are here for you. We are here for giving you the information what you really want to need. You want to learn. You want to know more. So we can help you with that. Apart from this, Tushar, like it, what is the culture of Slack? Like you are working as a Slack, so to you having a great culture while you are there in the office time. So like you can know more about that. So can you just share about like what is the culture there to my colleagues, to my attendees?
Uh, highlight if I have to tell one thing, you will find super humble people in Slack. Like many people have come from bigger organizations. Many people who had their own startups before joining Slack. Like there was a company called Astro Technologies which Slack acquired, and that became Slack Pune. So super talented people, but super humble. That's the great thing I find about working in Slack here. Culture is super open. I mean, we get monthly Fridays off. There are couple of extra time off which we are getting. Yeah, we are super taken care of by the company.
Okay. Apart from that, like how you are enjoying your life at home by working from home? Can it like it's totally from my side, it's totally like very awesome thing. By working from home, you get a chance to be with your family, to know more about them, and also we can take care of them as well. So that's a good part of that. But a bad part of that was I can't be able to care my body as a health you can say. but I'm trying to doing my level best to make my body fit and also stay fit from the society and COVID as well.
Yeah, we are also not going out. What has helped me in this remote time is that I could able to catch up on work with without any commute. A lot of time in hand. I got to explore our code bases, work on projects outside our team. Recently, we had hackathon. Yeah, exciting stuff. A lot of time on hand.
Okay. So guys, like, can you able to speak? Do you do you have mics there so that we can get to know a little bit about you as well, or no? So, like, can you introduce yourself by just typing a message like, what's your name, what you're doing, and how you how you think about Slack? These three things. Just can you mention it so that we can get to know each other better, so that we can get to know much better. We can start with the first attendee, Patrick. So, Patrick, can you please let us share your about yourself, like what you're doing? Are you a student or you're a working professional, or like do you use Slack in your own organization as well? We are happy to hear you guys. I'm excited.
Not sure typing is fun here. There should have been a show of hands that attendees can do. But yeah, thank you for listening. And if you have
Thank you for
if you have any questions, let us know. We'll be here around till like another 10 minutes.
that he is not audible. Patrick, are you audible? We can't hear you now. Yeah, you are not audible for us.
Oh, quick question, Vipul. Can participants speak? Do they have?
I'm just thinking about that, like they having that access or not. Like I can give them. I think they don't have. Just let me see. No, they don't have access. Just give me an access. Okay, so I have given the access to Patrick now. So Patrick, you can speak now. You have the voice. If you would, you can speak now. So if you would like to speak, then I will give 1-to-1 chance as well. Okay, so that you can speak.
Hey,
Thank
hi
you.
there. Hey, hi Vipul and Tushar.
Hi, Pratik.
Hey, you guys did an awesome job. Like, I like the way you presented the new features that are coming into Slack. So, just a little bit intro about me. I'm working at Oracle as a software engineer, and we are using Slack in Oracle on day-to-day basis, and I really like the features that you guys have into Slack, all the DM feature you mentioned about, and the emojis for showing the reaction, and then whatever, let's say you type something by mistake, you can delete it. So that are really the coolest feature I've seen in Slack. Like before, when I was in my previous job, we used to use the Outlook like a regular email, and most of the time it's hectic, like to like have a conversation on emails, right? So Slack, I guess, it connects your team more, and in a better way, I can say. Like whatever the features you are introducing right now, the huddles and everything, those are really cool features. So yeah, that's up, guys.
Pratik, do you see yourself using stories more or huddles?
I think I'm kind of person where I will be using the huddles, because like it's a better way to talk with the like communicate within the team and solve the problem like that.
Awesome. Thank you, Pratik.
you, Pratik, for your beautiful feedback. And guys who are winners, I have shared them a special form. Please fill their details, and we will be get back to you once as soon as possible. Okay. So their details are mandatory. Please try to fill as correct as possible. So those are the winners. One is the Aditi and Naruto. So these two guys, as I sent you a special link, please fill their forms correctly.
I think we can wrap up, people. Let's save some precious time for our attendees.
Yes.
Thank you, everyone. Have a great day.
Thank you, everyone. Like I'm there for 10 more minutes.
Yep,
If you
I'll be
have
there.
anything, me and Mr. Shah as well. So if you have anything, questions, yeah, anything you would like to ask, then if you given the feedback, you are also be the lucky winner as well. Okay. So if you fill the form, if you have given that feedback, you are the next person. You having a special prize at your home.